Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the theme onto your website. So the great thing about using these themes of ThemeForest, and to be honest with you, a lot of themes out there these days, is that you can pretty much install them and get your website looking like those live demos in just a few clicks. That's the benefit of having these demo websites, is that you can very easily achieve the same style and appearance. So what you need to do is go into your downloads if you purchase the theme through ThemeForest. Of course, if you've got it free off Google, just go ahead and get the files. You want to go ahead and then click download. You can see I've got a lot of themes down here. Probably spent way too much money on this website than I should have. Let's click download and go for all files and documentation. That has now downloaded to my desktop. So let's open up the zip folder and expand it, see what's inside. We've got a folder right here, and there should be a documentation link, which is right here. So you can open up documentation, and what this will do is walk you through what you need to do to get the theme live. So in this instance, it's actually giving us a URL. So let's go back over to here and then visit that URL, and you can see they've got a dedicated support hub, which is really good. So this is the main reason why these themes are rated so highly, as they make the process very easy to follow. So let's click theme install and update on the left hand side. We'll just close this download box right here. We want information on how to install the theme, and you can see it gives you information. So download all files, which you've already done. Unzip the file, you'll see rehub WordPress theme.zip. We've done that already. Folder with the theme name rehub-theme.zip. So that will be pretty much this one right here, rehub-theme.zip. So I'm not going to talk you through this because it's pretty much tedious to watch, and I want to make sure the course focuses on just providing value, but pretty much you just follow the process in the documentation. I'm going to fast forward the video and follow this step-by-step process. And just as a heads up, by the way, to get access to your website, which you just created, your login details is going to come from your hosting company. So remember, we use Cloudways for hosting, so I can go into applications, select my website, cuttinghq.com, and under access details, I can then see my login URL, my username, and my password, which of course I blurred out just for privacy reasons. Right, so back to the uploading process. And just like that, I've now imported the demo theme. I've got a few error messages here below. I'm not too sure what they actually relate to. I can obviously find out if I go through the theme installation notes again, but if I visit the website, it should be loading exactly how we saw it in the demo. So now we have this amazing theme live on cuttinghq.com. So if you go back into the dashboard for your website, you'll see that if you go into pages or posts, there's going to be lots and lots of pages here by default. And this is because the demo included all of these. For example, there's a page right here for members. If I view that page, well, if we're not going to have members on our website, we can literally go back to our WordPress dashboard, select it, and then under bulk actions, change that to move to trash. So it's going to take a little bit of tidying up, basically just removing what you feel you don't need. I personally recommend getting rid of all the ones you know you definitely do not need, such as the member options ones and so on. And if you come across any you are unsure about, then just leave them for now. The main purpose of this section of the course is to literally set up your initial website. And as you can see, we've pretty much done that. We've got our website live, domain, SSL, and we have a really good theme live on the site too. So in regards to what pages you should have, what content, keywords, that is all coming up next. However, for now, you can sit back and relax as you are in a very, very good position, ready to go full steam ahead. I'll see you in the next one.